And we have this message: thank you for using Delta. We have all scripts aided successfully. What's up fellas, and welcome to my brand new review. In this review I'll be show you how I got Delta Executor for Roblox absolutely free, safe and online, guys. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called AppLoop. Then type in search Delta Executor and you will find the online tool. Click there, guys, and now we'll have to enter our Roblox user ID. So if you don't know how to find it, just click here, or let me just show you. So go to your official Roblox profile on your browser and just copy your profile link. Okay, let me copy. Okay, let's get back to the R tool, and then we have paste button. Just press paste and you will get your Roblox user ID. So let me click continue, guys, and let's see. As you can see, it found and our user ID successfully connected. The next step is select on button and select scripts that you want to add to your account, guys. So I will select this. Let me click continue and let's see, does it actually work. So guys, if you want to follow the latest tutorial for Delta Executor, make sure to subscribe to my channel. This is the best working method for Delta Executor. So let's see the next step. Okay, AP connected. Nice. Just scroll down and click I'm not a robot to verify yourself. Perfect, guys, and now we're on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here, guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questions. It's your choice. Just click here on free, click go, and it will start downloading from the official publisher. When the app are downloaded, complete the task. Below each task you have a description what you have to do. So guys, I will download Travel Town and Scanner app, so I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this task and this task, and I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along these redirecting tags, guys. If you have this message, guys, just wait for this redirecting and let's see together. Okay, verification successful. Thank you for passing double check. Delta Executor is important to your account, guys. So I will test this and let's see, does it actually work. So let me play this crop garden. Okay, and let's see. Okay guys, I'm now in the game and we have this panel, so let me show you. As you can see, I'm now in the game and we have this message: thank you for using Delta. We have all scripts aided successfully. We can search the scripts, we have settings, so we have console. So this is amazing, and that's pretty much it for this review. Thank you for watching and see you in the next. Bye.